Many of us know how to use the crochet hook to ladder up a drop stitch. It's basically just a matter of inserting the stitch into the lowest captured stitch and picking up the first ladder and pulling it through, in essence recreating that whole column of knit stitches. But it's slightly easier actually to use a latch hook tool for it. The latch hook piece of it helps create this really easy movement where as you push it through the last captured stitch, it opens up the latch hook, and as you go over that and pull it through, the latch hook closes onto it. And so you can get this really quick, easy movement of popping it through over and over, and the latch hook actually helps you secure the yarn that's being pulled through. And you can see that it just creates it a little bit faster than, now you might be really quick with a crochet hook and be able to pull those up equally as quickly. I'm not quite, and having the latch actually, the latch on the latch hook tool actually close in over the laddered stitch that you're pulling through, it's a little bit easier for me. And it does it automatically based on, you can see the last stitch opens up the latch hook and then similarly closes down the latch underneath the yarn that you're pulling through.